So, dear friends, so what are the stocks that you can buy on Monday, that is tomorrow? So, here I have opened this website web.stockage.com. Here I have scanned all those stocks, major stocks which have an RSI below 30. RSI below 30 means these are good stocks which but they have been oversold. They are in the oversold zone. So the stocks which are in the oversold zone has a high probability of going to the overbought zone. So I do not buy the stock when it is at the top. So buy the stock when it is at the bottom. And if it is a fundamentally strong stock, and buy only fundamentally strong stocks. So the stock will go to the oversold zone, giving us profits. So these are some of the stocks. I opened this website web.stockage.com and I scanned for the stocks which have an RSI, major stocks which have an RSI of less than 30. See how to scan? Go to this website, click on scans. I'll show you one more time. I click on scans, go to technical scans here and click on relative strength index scans. You can also click on weekly relative strength index scans. Click on weekly strength index scans and weekly RSI crossed below 30. So I cannot select weekly RSI. I will select daily RSI scans, relative strength index scans, and then RSI crossed below 30. So it is showing me all the stocks which are below 30, which have an RSI of less than 30 and which are major stocks. See, for example, I want to say Happiest Mind Technologies. I want to check whether I can buy this stock. Happiest Minds. First I copy this stock from this list. I go to the screener.in website and here in the search bar I type this. I paste this company's name here. So I get the details of the company here and here I search whether this is one of the top companies, means number one or number two companies, or whether the stock has been doing exceptionally well. I see that the debt of the company is around 1175 crores and return on investment profit after tax is very less, so I don't consider this stock. Consider only those companies which are in the which are in the top range, that is one or two, that is number one or number two companies only. So don't buy Happiest Minds. I decide not to buy Happiest Minds. Suppose I say I want to know about this company, Ramakrishna Forgings Limited. I copy the name of the company, type it in the screener, paste it in the screener. So here I see that number one, the Ramakrishna Forgings Limited is not number one, number two, but Bharat Forge and AIA Engineering is number one, number two. So I don't buy the stock. It's as simple as that. I don't buy the stock. So NLC India is check whether this is the top. Uh, it is in the top list. It is number one and number two. Even this is very much below. Means it is where it is. It is in the eighth position. So I don't buy the stock. So just I make sure that it is one of the number one or number two stocks. See, but I see that NTPC stock. See, NTPC is, it is the number one company. So in this list, it is the number one company. It has a very low RSI of 24.8. So I buy this stock. I buy only the NTPC stock. I can check Power Grid also. Power Grid has more RSI, so I can buy the NTPC stock. Like this, I make the stock selection. I make the stock selection uh, for the week. Similarly, I check Bandhan Bank Limited. So I decided to buy NTPC, Bandhan Bank Limited. So Bandhan Bank Limited is also not in the top two positions. So but the top two stocks have an RSA of more than 30, so I don't buy this stock. Credit Access Grameen Limited. So this is also not the number one or number two position, not in number one, number two. See Bajaj Finsa, which is number two, right now the RSA is 32.96. So I'll wait for Bajaj Finserv to go below. I wait for Bajaj Finserv to go below 30, then I can buy Bajaj Finserv, which is the top two, which is in the top two, means which is the second largest company in this list. So I don't buy anything here today. So like this, I decide. For example, Britannia Industries. I decide how to buy the stock based on the stochastic RSI. The Britannia Industries Limited. See, it is the number two stock. So you can see the RSI is less than 30, so I can buy the stock. So I mark two stocks. One is NTPC. So what stocks I will buy on Monday? I will buy NTPC and I will buy Britannia Industries. So I have finalized these two stocks. Like this, you can finalize the stocks to buy on Monday for the current week. See, Axis Bank also excellent stock, which is down, which has a low RSI right now. But it is not in the number one or number two list, so I don't buy Axis Bank also. See, all have a good stall. Number one, number two stocks have a good RSI of 40, above 40. So like this, I decide how to buy the stock, when to buy the stock, and when to enter the stock at the right price, and which stock to buy, which is the best stock to buy. Say Oil India Limited. Let me check Oil India Limited. So Oil India Limited. So it is the number two stock. So it is an RSI of 26.52. So I decide to buy the stock on Monday. Oil India Limited. So I decide to buy three stocks on Monday. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and more information. Thanks for watching.